Alright, maayong hapon na tong diha tanan sa Pilipinas o all over the world, and karon na ata diri sa Tunisia. Ito po yung barko natin, guys, Silver Ray. Look at that, how big it is, and this is the premier ship of the Silver Sea Fleet. We are greeted by this like a mini castle. Kung makita mo yung entrance, guys, napakaganda ng pagka-design. Typical Arabic. And yung loob naman is a typical bazaar. Inside, makikita mo yung mga art, a lot of mga dresses and souvenirs, bags, and by the way, dito sa part ng North Africa, nandito lahat yung mga leather, no? Bags, belts, just about coats and everything, guys. So ayan, look at that, napakaganda ng design, guys, yung roof. So dito sa Tunisia, guys, no, people speaks French and Arabic. Napakaganda ng mga dresses, guys. Kung makita mo, may mga plato din dito, bags, and yeah, perfumes. Kung gusto yung perfumes, and also mga decorations. Hello. Ayan, guys. Okay. By the way, guys, malayo yung port natin, no? It's about 45 minutes from the city of Ligolet, yung port.
My shop, have a look. Nice shop.
Yes,
yes. Have a look.
I'm just looking around. Thank you.
Just picture.
What?
Just picture.
Picture, yes. Picture, yes. So, ayan, guys. Nandito na ang entrance and exit ng terminal. And, ayan. Labas-labas lang tayo konti, guys, no? Let's see kung ano makita natin sa labas. So, ayan, guys. This is the taxi stand. And kung lalabas kayo ng Ligolet, going to the city proper, dito po. Okay? So, may mga taxis din dito. Pero, fortunately, ngayon, guys, wala na. Okay, so yun talaga yung main entrance ngayon. Napakainit ngayon today, guys, dito sa Ligolet. And yan yung entrance, guys. Napakaganda. Look at this colored stones. Ang ganda talaga tingnan. Alright, very unique here in Tunisia. So yan naman yung flag ng Tunisia. Napakalaki. And mind you, dito sa banda ng part ng Africa, guys, they're very proud of their flag. But I really appreciate the Tunisian people for appreciating their flag. Hello. So, ayan, guys, nandito tayo sa likod ng port. And I would assume, guys, na napakaganda ng lugar na to noong unang panahon when they were initially established. So, ayan, guys, na mga restaurants to dati. And look at the doors. They're very typical of the Arab design, guys, and the church bell. And yeah, ayan. Alright. Ano yan? What is that? Huh? Astray? Looks like reggae. Looks like reggae. Alright. By the way, guys, ang mga babaeng Tunisian na babae, guys, mga ganda sila. Grabe. Alright, guys, modern Tunisia is known for Carthage. So kung familiar ka sa history, guys, you know, between Rome and Carthage during the olden times, this is the place, guys. And Carthage, the old Carthage, is just located maybe 2 to 3 miles from here. So ang ganda sanang puntahan, guys, no? Kaso lang wala na tayong oras. And to see all the ruins, you know, it's a great place to go, guys, and see the old Carthage. Alright, so yan, guys, mashallah, and shukran for watching. Alright, see you next time.